Today, I am diving deep into a tool that has been an absolute game changer, simplified something so complicated for a lot of my clients, and it's called GetTerms. If you are running any kind of website, e-commerce store, or app, you need proper privacy policy and terms of service, period. Most business owners avoid this at a very high cost because it is confusing or lawyer fees seem very high. But GetTerms makes it ridiculously affordable, plus really simple to get started. By the end of this video, you're gonna know if this is the right tool for you. I have personally used GetTerms on client sites, and I have seen all the best features for different kinds of stores that I'm gonna highlight now. Before we go any further, I do want to let you know I have partnered with GetTerms to get you a special deal if you use that link down below. If you find value from this video, that is a great way to help out this channel so I can make more videos like this to help you grow your business and save a lot of time on something that is very important. And also, finally, a quick disclaimer, this is not legal advice and I'm not making any guarantees here. I'm just sharing with you my experience with a tool that's worked really well for my clients. Let's go. All right, so what exactly is GetTerms? In simple terms, it is a legal document generator that creates privacy policies, terms of service, and cookie consent management for your website or app. I'm talking about as if you were getting a tooth extracted, how painful that is. That's what people usually think about when they think about terms for their website. And GetTerms makes it as simple as honestly getting a haircut. Literally in minutes, you could have everything configured. You answer a few questions about your business, what type of data you collect, where your users are located, and boom, you've got legal compliant documents built custom for your business. Also, one of my personal favorites is the interface is really clean and intuitive. You're not going to drown in a bunch of legal jargon trying to figure out what applies to your situation. They designed this for real people who need the solution and not talking to lawyers or a lot of legal speak that you may not understand. Now, let's also talk about why this may matter, especially for e-commerce businesses. If you are collecting customer data, which you are if you're running any kind of online store, you'll need to be compliant with a lot of things like GDPR, CCPA, and all these other regulations. GetTerms handles all of this automatically for you. Let me show you on the screen some of the cool acronyms that they cover out of the gate. They're compliant with CCPA, GDPR, and a lot of other stuff as well that you can see on the screen right now. Basically, every major privacy law you need to worry about, they got you covered. And this is where it gets really interesting, the consent management system. When someone opts out of data collection, they need to actually be opted out. GetTerms ensures that that actually happens. The cookie banner they provide blocks scripts using consent that is given, which means you're not accidentally violating someone's privacy preferences. And the setup for this is honestly really easy. And probably the most cosmetic side of all of this, your actual cookie banner. You could customize it to your liking, the messaging, where it's positioned on your screen. All of that stuff is really easy for you to control. Now, if you're an agency and you're managing multiple websites, you can generate tons of policies for different sites, different businesses, all from one account. Whether it's a SaaS platform, an app, or you sell physical products, GetTerms can adapt to the specific use case, whether you are collecting payment or you're not. You could adapt the terms to your business structure. Let's talk about money. GetTerms offers both subscription and lifetime purchase options. The subscription starts at a very reasonable price, and honestly, when you consider hiring a lawyer to draft the document, even to do a consultation with a lawyer, is gonna cost more than GetTerms. So yes, this is an absolute steal, but the big kind of caution here is that I would say this is gonna cover you at about, let's just give a general percentage, but it's not 100%. Let's say 60, 70, something like that. but maybe something you could do. You're just starting out your business, you don't have a lot of capital. Use this to get started today, and then you could do a few things. When you start making more money, you could take these documents, give them to a lawyer and say, edit them up so that they're fully covering me 100%. Or you could do something where you use this for now, and then when you do have more capital, you could leverage that to just create new documents and then use those as your key terms and service privacy policy documents. Again, none of this is legal advice. Please seek a lawyer, but these options really give you a lot to start with, and you don't have to fly blind or just hope for the best. You could actually start a website, get covered today at a very reasonable rate, and then from there scale when you're ready. Now, more details about the pricing. They do offer a buy it for life option, which is pretty attractive in my opinion as well. Plus, everything is covered with 100% money back guarantee, so there is honestly no real risk with getting started. A few things I really love about this that should be highlighted. First and foremost is that, again, this is really affordable. Their lifetime buy it for life plan, $249 as of today, is really, really cheap. As well as they really don't have any hidden fees or surprise charges. If you use something like a LegalZoom or other tools, they're gonna have a lot of add-ons that they throw at you once you get started into the process. And finally, one other thing that I just really love about them and why I wanted to make this video in the first place is that they keep updating their tools and service and expanding for more and more coverage while making it really, really easy for you to adapt it and grow your business. Look, legal compliance isn't fun, but it is necessary. GetTerms takes something that's traditionally been expensive, time-consuming, confusing, and honestly, most people would prefer to get a tooth extracted than figure out this side of their business, but they make it so painless and easy that it is worth every penny. And don't forget, you can get started with the link down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.